your daughter.
You get out. You get out, man. You get out, man. I respect you. Now, she look at the baby.
What are you doing? You accept that.
That's the people. That's the protest.
Qasim's father. 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 There's a doctor.
House, we will keep coming outside Tyrion's house until PTI UK stops protesting outside Avonfield. We will keep asking, where is the money that you have taken from Pakistan? We will keep asking you for accountability. Where is the money laundering that you've done? Where is that foreign funding that you have taken in the name of Pakistan? Where is it? We will keep asking you, Jemima, because you kept tweeting in favour of PTI and now you say you're not a part. That is hypocrisy, and we will fight against your hypocrisy. You will be answering our questions. Your children will be asking and answering the questions as you keep asking Maryam Nawaz, you keep asking Nawaz Sharif's children, then we will come outside your children's house and your house and ask for accountability. You have taken Pakistan's money and now you are putting all the blame on PMLN when PMLN is the name of progression, the name of prosperity in Pakistan. So we will keep coming outside Tyrion's house, we will keep coming outside Jemima's house until you stop bringing Pakistani politics and bringing the dirty politics outside Avonfield with the derogatory comments being made outside Avonfield House against Nawaz Sharif's family, then we will keep coming here. So if you want to ask any questions, go and ask your ex-husband.
नवाज शरीफ साहब के घर के बाहर जाते रहोगे, हम भी इंशाअल्लाह तुम्हारी सासा बीवी के घर के बाहर आते रहेंगे। जो तुमने दुख्तरे मशरिक मरियम नवाज शरीफ साहिबा के बारे में गलीज और गंदी ज़बान इस्तेमाल की है, इससे मालूम होता है कि तुम्हारी तरबियत क्या है, तुम्हारा खानदान क्या है, तुम्हारा किरदार क्या है, तुम्हारा गुफ्तार क्या है, और हम ईद का जवाब पत्थर से देना जानते हैं।
Everyone have rights.
So tell me what you want to do.
Why they come to our house?
Because they gone to our Karen is living here.
Imran daughter lives there.
Karen,
Yeah.
she's living there.
Why they come
But
to
he
our
not
house?
own that.
Why they
He
come
said
to our house?
she's not my daughter.
They have a protest
And
against
who said that you
it at 2
accept
o'clock.
that she's your daughter?
You get out. You get out, man. You get out, man. I respect you. Now, she look at the
What are
baby.
you doing? You accept that.
That's the people. That's the protest. That's the protest.
I'm not peaceful.
We are peaceful, sir.
Yeah, you have to
Thank you.